how to activate gift wall on Amo app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to activate gift wall on your Amo app, easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Amo. Once you are here, click on your profile icon up there and you're gonna find again your profile tab there. Now scroll down and you're gonna find gifts. Get a gift. To activate my gift wall, click on ask for, and here you can share to somebody on those. For example, the first one, click on done, and this is it. So easy and quick. And this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to subscribe and like.